ready, waiting for Anya. We're going to the run club. She's literally there. There's Sandra. Okay, I am back from the run club and I actually didn't vlog. Like I wanted to, and then I feel like I was so in a rush that I didn't vlog. So I'll include some clip from my phone here. The run was just so lovely, so fun. We went and got coffee afterwards, and then I came home and I'm after lighting the fire. I'm about to do a load of washing, put some up on the drying rack. The kittens are fed. I need to clean the dishes. I honestly feel like a single mom who works 2 jobs. But yeah, that is my day. There is a Christmas market on in Ballylinan today, and then there's also the turning on of the lights in Athy. So I'm actually really excited to have like a super festive Christmas day today. The dinosaur was in here. Bye now, enjoy the rest of your day. Got full haul. I'm actually excited to try the Ukrainian dessert.
Me too.
I got Christmas presents, so very successful. Oh, what time is it now? Oh, it's on. It's been on for an hour and a half so far. So. Time to try our Ukrainian treats. Probably should have asked them what these were.
Is that like a donut kind of thing?
I don't know.
Is it meat?
I don't know. It smells sweet. Give me a knife.
Break it into jobs.
No, I want to do it. Like cabbage.
That's delicious.
Not
everywhere good.
That's absolutely delicious.
No, this is a dessert. It's chocolate. Chocolate dessert.
Oh god, it smells so good.
I have a master's degree, so not only am I beautiful, but I'm also
It's like a rolled shortbread with chocolate.
They don't typically like, you know, beautiful smart women. They kind of like beautiful dimbo women, but I have the entire package. My biggest weakness
10 out of 10 for the Ukrainian treats. Hello guys, and well done for getting to the end of this vlog. This vlog was so short and I'm kind of happy with that because coming up to Christmas I want to just get a couple of videos out, and this is a perfect little Christmas market, Christmas lights vlog. And I wanted to come on and say it's really important to support things from like your local area. Example, me going to that Christmas market from like the village I went to school and where I'm from, and similarly going in for the lights. It's so easy to kind of give out about like where you live or where you're from, especially if you don't do anything to like make it a better place. So anytime there's something that I can attend, I will go to it. Genuinely, I feel like at this stage, if they were opening an envelope in the square, I'd be like, yeah, I'll come, because it's just really nice to feel part of a community, and it's really nice to support people from your area as well. Example, buying those Christmas gifts. I literally went to the centre before I went to the hall, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll take out some money, and I was only going to take out 20, and then Owen was like, take out 40. Genuinely spent the full €40 in the hall on Christmas gifts and just other Christmassy bits from the Christmas market. So yeah, it's just really wholesome, and if you can, I know we're very close to Christmas, so definitely try support local. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.